welcome back to my channel for another video. Welcome to my kitchen where I am getting ready for the start of our very first homeschool week of this homeschool year. I have some meal prep that I want to get done to just set us up to succeed for the first week back to school. Now, quick disclaimer, this routine of meal prepping is very simple. It is nothing out of this world or that someone else couldn't think of doing. This is just what I do if I have the time and make the time and prioritize the time to do these few simple things. Our school weeks just go so much smoother, and I stay on track nutritionally and all of those good things. So this is definitely an ideal. So I just want you guys to know that I am not 100% successful at doing this every single week the entire school year, but I do try. So for example, if I can't get it all done, then maybe I only do a few things, but I really try to do at least a few of these meal prepping things to set myself up for a good school week, but especially when we're starting back for a brand new year. I mean, we can do our ideals to start our new school year off, right? Like, we should do all the things we can do to prepare to start a new homeschool year as best as possible. Like, right? So before we go any further with today's video though, I do want to thank today's video sponsor. It is Built Bar. You guys are probably like me and stocking up on snacks and replenishing your pantry and having different things on hand for your kids for back to school time or back to homeschool time. Built Bar is definitely a snack that is a must in my household for any time, but especially back to school and back to homeschooling. I absolutely love my Built Bars. I pulled out my 3 favorite flavors right here. We have cookies and cream, raspberry, and coconut. These are my 3 favorite flavors currently from the mixed box that I just received from Built Bar. If you guys have never heard of Built Bar, let me tell you a little bit about them. They are a delicious protein bar that has like the best taste of any bar that I've ever tried. The consistency of the bar is exactly like a candy bar. It is soft and chewy, not grainy, not a gross texture, and the best part about it is that each bar is only between 130 and 170 calories, but each one is packed with at least 17 grams of protein. So if you are wanting to reach for something a little healthier but still satisfy your sweet tooth, Built Bar is the way to go. So I will have a link and a coupon code to Built Bar down below. You guys can use my code Ashley15 to save 15% on your Built Bar order. And just so you guys know, that coupon code works on anything available on their website, not just the bars. But I do recommend the mix box for any of you who have never tried them before. That way you can try out all of the flavors and figure out which one is your favorite before you commit to a whole box. The mix box has 18 different bars in it, and every bar in the mix box is gluten-free. So if that's something that's important to you, then you can rest assured knowing that all of the bars in the mix box are gluten-free. So thank you so much, Built Bar, for sponsoring today's video. All of their information will be down below so you guys can check them out. But we are going to get to meal prepping for our first week back to school. So if you guys are regular viewers of my channel, then you may recognize this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 situation from another video. I did another video called my 6-step easy weekend meal prep. That's basically what you're gonna see here. 6 things. This is not complicated. I am not making Pinterest-worthy meals, but just doing these few things will help our week start off on the right foot. So I have making some waffles to freeze for my kids to heat up for breakfast in the morning. I want to make a little treat for them for a snack in the afternoon, just as like a special thing for back to school. But I do always try to bake at least one thing per week. I like to wash the fruit, grapes, and berries ahead of time. That way they're ready to be eaten. And this year my kids are making their own lunches, which I'm sure you guys have heard about. So then they'll just be able to know that all the fruit is already washed for them. Protein prep just means that I personally need to have one protein option in my refrigerator ready to go for me for the week, whether it's some chicken or some hard-boiled eggs or, you know, turkey burgers, whatever the case might be. I have to have a protein prepared, otherwise I will not eat enough protein in my day because I am not cooking a chicken breast in the middle of our school day. I do need to dice and wash our romaine lettuce. That is another thing that I do for myself and the kids, so that way making salads is that much easier and that much quicker. And then slicing the croissants for sandwiches. I bought some croissants from Costco and they are not sliced, and I just know my kids and I know that I'm gonna need to slice those, so I figure I'll just do that all ahead of time. And so just these few little steps will help me to have a more successful homeschooling week, and this is what I do every week. Like I said, if I can't bake something, that's fine, but I do always try to do at least a few things off of this, so that way our weeks run much more smoothly. You wouldn't think these few food things make a big difference, but they actually do. For this back to homeschool meal prep video. Super simple is always the theme of everything that I do in my life. I am not an overcomplicated person. I like to keep things simple and just do what I know works well for my family. I hope it gave you guys some good ideas, whether it's just preparing some lettuce ahead of time, just washing up fruit so that your kids know it's ready to be eaten, or, you know, doing a more elaborate meal prep. Whatever makes you happy and makes your week run smoothly is what I recommend. This is what I do, and I feel really good knowing that it's done for our first week back to homeschool. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this back to homeschool meal prepping video. I will have all of the links to Built Bar down below for you guys. Be sure to take advantage of the coupon code down below. I always appreciate you guys using my links if you're interested in checking out anything that I share. But until next time, guys, I hope you're doing well, and I will see you soon. Bye.